Close your eyes for a moment. Try to remember a time when your body felt effortless, when sleep fixed almost everything, when a small fall healed quickly, when energy felt natural, not something you had to manage. Most of us don't remember thinking about health back then. We didn't track steps, we didn't worry about inflammation, we didn't talk about longevity. And yet, our bodies were doing something extraordinary. They were repairing faster than they were being damaged. In your earliest years, your body is built for growth and repair. Cells divide rapidly. Damage is fixed quickly. Recovery feels automatic. This is why children heal fast, why energy seems endless, why aging feels like a distant concept. At this stage, aging hasn't disappeared, but repair clearly outweighs damage. Your body is in surplus. As we grow into adolescence and young adulthood, something subtle happens. Growth slows. Repair is still strong, but now it has competition. Stress enters the picture. Sleep becomes inconsistent. Food choices become less predictable. For a while, the body keeps up. Damage and repair stay mostly balanced. This is what many people think of as normal, but balance is fragile. Aging doesn't suddenly begin at 50 or 60. It begins quietly, years earlier. Repair becomes slightly less efficient. Inflammation lasts a little longer. Recovery takes more time. Nothing dramatic happens overnight. But the signals your body receives each day start to matter more. Not just what you eat, but how often. Not just activity, but rest. Not just stress, but whether it ever turns off. Aging accelerates when the body stays in a constant state of demand. Gray hair, stiffer joints, lower energy. These aren't the start of aging, they're the result of years where repair slowly fell behind damage. Your body isn't failing, it's adapting. Adapting to constant stimulation, constant eating, constant stress, constant alertness. From your body's perspective, this doesn't feel like modern life. It feels like uncertainty. Here's the most important idea. Your body doesn't measure aging by birthdays. It measures it by signals. Signals from food, signals from stress, signals from sleep, signals from rhythm. When life feels predictable and calm, the body invests in repair. When life feels chaotic and demanding, the body prioritizes survival. Longevity isn't about chasing youth. It's about restoring balance between damage and repair. Slowly, consistently, humanely. This is the hopeful part. If aging were just decay, there would be nothing to do. But aging is influenced gently by daily habits. Not perfection, not extremes, just better signals repeated over time. If this made you pause, if it reminded you of who you once were and who you still want to be, then this channel is for you. Here, we focus on small, realistic habits that support repair, calm the body, and respect how aging truly works. Subscribe and walk this path with me, not to stop aging, but to age more slowly, more peacefully, and with intention. You deserve that.